welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sarahy Delarosa. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my updated brow routine. I know I've done a couple of these videos, but they just change all the time. I literally change my eyebrows literally every single time there's like a new trend or something. I really like to follow up on, you know, trends and styles and just to see how they would look on me. So I was like, one day just did feather brows and I just stuck to it. I love how they look. My brows look so much sparse, they look so much fuller. If you guys want to know how my brows looked, then look at my first eyebrow tutorial. Oh my god. So embarrassing. I'll have like a clip here or have a picture up here so you guys can see. It was so bad, but my brows came a long way, you guys. They really did, and I'm really happy how they turned out. Let me know if you guys also do this feather wax brow. I'm not even sure how you call it. There's so many names to these brows, but yeah, you guys, if y'all want to learn how I do my feather like brows or my lamination brows, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so as y'all can see by the title of the video, I'm finally gonna do my daily eyebrow routine. What I really like to do when, you know, I'm going out or just like, you know, a really well done up brow, if that even makes sense. That's why I have no product, so I can show you guys every single product and every single step. I'm so excited. So for me, any bar soap will help. I love using this DHC soap. It's super dirty. I tried cleaning it and it just doesn't really get cleaned. But it's this bar soap right here. It's DHC. I will list it down below, but you guys can also use a different kind. Alternatives that I have right here. So I have this PATRICKTA one that I really do like using. It's pretty much the same thing except this is tinted, like it has an actual color to the wax. So yeah, this one is the Shaping Wax Tinted Brow Wax. You can create feather brows with this, and also you can create with the brow freeze from Anastasia. Those are just really good alternatives, but I do like myself a clear brow wax like this bar soap. It's just my favorite way to do it. I do use this whenever I want like a more natural feather like brow, but for today let me show you guys my routine. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of Fix Plus on the bar soap, and what I'm gonna do is coat the brush. These spoolies, you can get them on Amazon. I will have a link down below because I swear by these. I buy like a bulk, especially because it's long. I like them with a long handle. What I'm gonna do right now is pretty much brush these eyebrows. I'm gonna brush up, brush down. Look how freaking crazy my brows look. This is pretty much my technique, and I really love how they turn out. I feel like they don't go anywhere if I do this technique, like the brushing up and the brushing down, like that. And if I think they're just a little too long, I will take my scissors right here and I will trim them. I mentioned right now is that I do like to go up. I like to go up, make sure that every hair we've got it in place, you know, make sure that everything is laid. And then on the other side, what I like doing is kind of press them like that, because I know that for a lot of our brows don't stay because they're pretty thick or they just stubborn, you know, so I know how that feels. My brows are stubborn, they go down every single time, but when I use this technique, I know that I got it. I know that they're not gonna go anywhere and they're just secure, you know. So if I feel like I still need to trim a little bit, I do trim. So you guys can stop right here. I do like to have a good shaped feather brow, for sure. So what I like doing is taking this brush right here. Oh my god, this brush is everything. I love it. I do use it to sculpt my brows or to, you know, do the feather effect, but not today. This is the Smith 214 brush. This one right here. It's everything you guys need it in your kit, especially if you are a makeup artist. I really do recommend this. So what I love about it is that it's long and it gets every single little hair to go down at the same time. You don't have to go like, you know, one by one, but look at that. That was so easy, and it just really cuts the brow that I want. So I do recommend this. So now I'm gonna do this eyebrow. We're pretty much done, to be honest, but I'm gonna show you guys every single like step. Now I'm gonna do this one really quick. Probably just put you guys into speed mode. Okay, so if you want, you can go ahead and clean them, like just in case, you know, we put a little too much soap, you can clean them on top. But that's how they look. I know that I don't have the best brows, but we are gonna make it into a best brow because of makeup. They cut to makeup. Okay, so the next step would be sculpting them out. So this is for me a guideline. I love sculpting my brows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's just so great. Even to conceal my eyes for eyeshadow, I love this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is focus this right underneath my brow right here. So what I'm gonna do is also kind of already shape or sculpt. What I'm gonna do now is take this brush right here from Anastasia. This is the A18. If I'm not mistaken, I'll link it down below. It's one of the best concealer brushes I've ever used. I use it so much, you see, like, the name is already gone. So now what I'm gonna do is kind of pretty much sculpt my brows to my liking. I know a lot of people don't do this step anymore, but this is my favorite way to do it, and it also acts as a guideline to me. So I do recommend doing this. Like that. And I also work with this concealer really fast because it does dry down really quickly. So what I'm going to do is take this Morphe M173 brush, and I am just going to work this concealer in. I like taking this all the way down to my temples. I feel like it goes really good with my foundation afterwards. If you didn't cover up really well down here, you can go ahead and take a little bit more concealer and just brush it down. Alright, so that step we are good. That came out really good. Thank God. But now I'm going to take any translucent powder works. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Translucent Honey. Alright, so now I'm just going to set with the translucent powder. You don't have to do this step, but I'm just going to do it. We are good. Ready. Okay, so I'm going to speed this brow through really quick. So we are pretty much like basically almost done, but what I'm gonna do is I usually don't fill in my brows until my whole entire powder is finished, like my bronzer, setting my under eyes and everything, and then that's when I go ahead and go in with my brow stuff. But for you guys, I'm just gonna do it right now because I want y'all to see this. So next step is using a liquid liner. The one I use is from Urban Decay. This is the Brow Blade waterproof pencil. It looks like this. It's waterproof, so I like anything that's gonna be waterproof on my brows. That's one thing. Like, I want my brows to be waterproof, not my lashes, like my eyelashes, my mascara to be waterproof, but my brow pencils, yes. And I also have this Kevyn Aucoin True Feather Brow Maker Brow Duo, and it comes in two sides. Obviously the pencil right here and this gel right at the end, which is really, really cool. I link it down below. I love this stuff, and it works just as good as the Urban Decay Blade. I have it in this shade too, but you can also use the Mad Max Brown, the Kat Von D tattoo liner. It's also waterproof. They are very, very nice too, but I'm just gonna use the one that I always do use. It's the Urban Decay Brow Blade. What I do is just shake it up. It also has a dual side, so you can use the pencil and obviously the ink. So what I do, I actually start right in the middle. I don't know why I start in the middle, but I love this ink right here, ink pen, because it's also very, very, very thin. Yeah, I like to just create kind of hair brows. That are hairline strokes. If I don't have any on the tip, I make sure I got some. I like to grab it really at the end of the pencil, and what I like to do is kind of freehand. So it's not so harsh. You know what, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. Oh, the shade that I get is Natural Nana. It's the best for brunettes, I feel like, because it doesn't make my eyebrows look super harsh, which I really do appreciate. You see how I didn't really have hair right there? Well, I created those bitches. I said, no, you're gonna have hair. So that's pretty much it, you guys. They look pretty full now. Alright guys, so this is the finished look already with my whole entire face already done. I have my brows on. I really hope you guys enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial. It is very simple. I would think it's very simple, but let me know your guys' techniques. Is it similar to mine, or is it like way different? Let me know on the comments down below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my brow routine. Let me know if you did. Let me know what you guys want to see on my next video. I did record this look, so if you guys want to see how I did this look, I'll have it up in the cards or down below on the description box because it's so pretty. I love it. I actually did a cut crease this time. I read one of your guys' comments on my last video, so of course I had to do a cut crease. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell notification button so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content. But yeah, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Bye.